Buju, anin, muning kwenye kwe indigo Anishinaabe mang. Majakwe kwe indigo Anishinaabe mang indash, Kelani Frima indigenous. Ashi niz waswe indasa bubunikiz, makwendudum mahan dunjaba. But I've lived in Minneapolis, Minnesota my whole life. Growing up, I struggled just being a native kid. Everyone always considered me different and didn't want to hang out with me. Freshman and sophomore year, I spent it at a very large school. I felt isolated because I felt like I was the only Native American student there. A rumor that I heard going around is that I was a crazy savage. Being bullied over it made me want to hide who I was, to the point where I wanted to hurt myself. I didn't, but I really considered it. I didn't want to be around other people. I didn't even want to be around my family because I felt they were trying to make me into this person nobody liked.
Thank you.
I was failing a lot of classes and I was worried I would have messed up my whole year. I switched to this school, Newa East Center School. I'm a junior this year. Center School is a Native American-based alternative school. They focus their curriculum on Native American history and beading and drumming and stuff like that. I've never been to a school like this.
Students here have a different struggle. They struggle more than other students, I think. Some of our young people are hurting themselves. Historical trauma affects us in all kinds of ways. We act out on it and we may not even know why we're doing it. But if we go back to the culture, back to our roots, we can self-heal ourselves.
So when I first started here, I signed up for classes, and one of the classes was music.
You're singing a Dakota flag song, but you're singing it in Lakota.
I started that class, and at first I didn't know Rocky, but he was a really good singer. And if I asked him about a song, he would learn it and then teach it to me. Sooner or later, I started singing songs for him too.
Yeah, Kayliana, she is a good singer. And I taught her a lot about the language use and how she has a choice to use language. And I want to make sure she knows what she's singing. Like you're saying Tunkashila, but change the L to a D.
I didn't know much about the Ojibwe language. I started learning Ojibwe just because I want to understand the songs that I sing and not just sing them.
How does that one go? That's a Lakota one.
The Lakota one. At first, it was just me and Rocky in class. And then sooner or later, people would come down from their class and want to drum. And Rocky even let me teach the other students a couple songs, which I found really fun.
You know what that means? Good job, guys.
Getting in touch with my Native roots and Native culture, it's helped me become the person I am. Next year should be my last year of high school. I'd be really proud of myself if I graduate on time. Not a lot of Native students graduate on time.
If it's a positive, does that still make it a negative here?
I want to make my grandma and my mom proud. My grandma has a lot to teach me. I know she does, because she's always telling me, "You're gonna need this when you grow up and not have me anymore." She told me whenever I have the chance to teach another generation, to take that chance so that they can keep passing it down.
So any songs you guys want to hear?
The Eagle song, I don't know it.
It's like the eagle is with us and is bringing our prayers.
I finally feel at peace with myself. I'm able to express myself more. The drum is like the heartbeat, a sound of life. It brings me hope.